The one thing I want to hit on real quick before I go into a couple other things, because the time goes fast, is a little thing like titles. Does anyone do titles? In 2024.10, yeah, we've made some advancements with the Avid Titler Plus. Has anyone used it? Has anyone tried it yet? A couple people? Applause is good for that. Thank you. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time in it, but I do want to just show you some of the functionality, because we did spend a lot of time, getting better performance, stability, and usability on the titler. So if I go into mark an in and an out on the timeline, I've chosen an area, and I now can go into T+. I click here, and I do like to go in and go to single monitor. This is what I put in the video, because I like to have a larger canvas when I'm creating titles. So when I go to the titler, I can start typing. Now, yes, it looks like there's nothing there. I've done this before. You want to make sure you're monitoring, and then you'll see that. But now I want to go in and actually spell right. But I think what you'll see is I'm actually typing, and the responsiveness of typing is actually really amazing. Now, initially, when I go into titling, this is my dashboard. It defaults to text for title. If I click off, you'll see it goes to move mode, so now I can go in and manipulate that and move that anywhere on my viewer. If I turn on the grid, I can go in and select it to be Save Title. If I click again, it takes me to the end. So you can actually choose where you want that placement to go. Left, center, right, top, center, bottom. So you can choose where you want that to be placed. I want to change the size. I'm going to go ahead and click right here. If I hover, you're going to see two arrows, which means I can click and slide if I want to change the size like that. And what you're seeing also is there is an anchor point. It defaults to the lower left-hand corner. If I go to the Effect Editor and go to Transform, there is an anchor point section where I can say center that instead. So the anchor point is now centered for any sort of manipulation or rotation that's happening. Okay? Go ahead and place that. Again, center, left, or right. Choose that, play it. Performance again, much better. And I put on the Avid editors of Facebook a preset bin of some titles. So if you go to your titles, if you are in frame mode, you get a representation of your title. This is an effect. It's different than the old title tool, which actually created media every time you generated a title. So this is an effect which is going to give you a lot more control when you're going in to do any sort of keyframing, if you're going in to do any sort of manipulation. And any of these I can take and just simply drag and drop on my timeline. Let me go ahead and just say, let's take this one right here, drag it, and I just changed that title. Simply click to go in and change, double click, Nathan Orloff, and he edited Saturday night, click off, and now I have a new title. And there's no spell check. You can see I spelled that wrong. Thank you. I've changed his name to Nate Han. But the nice thing is, again, you can create any sort of format here. If I go back in, you go ahead and change that. Again, you can swipe. And again, I think you can instantly see as I'm typing, if you've used any other iteration of Titler Plus, that the performance is just really gotten so much better with the recent release. Another thing you can do is if you highlight the words here, just like you saw in the subcap, I could open this up and I can make a change here. So if I've gone in and said, wait, I want to change Saturday night, you'll see that this changes depending on what's being selected, just to make it a little easier to go in and make any sort of changes. Or you can copy and paste. Or if you have credits for a credit roll, you can copy and paste a credit list and drag it in, put it into a box, and then do credit rolls as well. I'll show you a credit roll, sure. There is one that is a sample. Let me go ahead and let's just do it over Chris here. I'm going to go to Basic Center. Let's see which one. Rolled credits. Take that, drag it there. If I want to go in, all right. If I want to go in and make any changes, again, you can change the timing there if you want. If I want to make a change to any of the titles there, I simply go back to my titles. And what I want to show you is, it's interesting, since this is a credit roll, if I turn on the credit roll here, this is where you can go in and change the position or go in. I'm currently in edit mode with the check. I have a little slider here which actually will take me to any part of the credits. I simply can click and make any change to any of these. And that could be here, or you're seeing it right here as well. So I can go in and make any changes to that. So again, some other really great advancements with the title, Avid Titler Plus. We are going to expand on this as well. But again, any titles that you create, say I come here, if I want to save that, just like any effect, I simply take that effect, drag and drop it to my bin, and there's my new title that you can see. But anything you want to change, you just drag it, drop it, see the change. Okay? So give that a try.